Hi friend, welcome back to the another episode, and today's episode is going to be a very helpful for you because you know that I started making up this type of video in English because I want to improve my English and as well as my communication skill. So that is why I started making up this type of video. No matter I no matter what type of mistake I am making, because you know that making mistake is not a failure. If you are making mistake, it means you are making progress in your life. But most of the people think that if they fail, it means they are not capable, they don't have a ability, and that is why they stop doing that thing, right? But you need to understand that failure is not it means you are not capable. If you fail in any particular area, it means you didn't do the hard work to achieving that goal, to um, become successful in that particular field. That is why you feel like this. But you have to understand that failure is a first step of success. So don't underestimate yourself. So I tell that what is the purpose of behind of making this video. So today I'm going to share with you 4P formula, 4P success formula that will help you to grow in your life, that will help you to move forward in your life. If you are the person who is stuck in your life and don't understand what to do next, how to take a decision, right? And if you are the person who is facing challenges and not getting result, so watch this video till the end, because you will get a informative you will get a lot of information from my this video, and maybe this video will help you to grow in your life, right? So without any further delay, let's get dive into the video. But before going to start the video, I want to tell you something that if you like this video, so you can you can appreciate me by like, share, and subscribe. So without any further delay, let's get started. You know, friend, that most of the people think that success is all about achieving a big goal. But you have to understand that success is not something about making achieving a big goal at once. You know that most of the people achieve a big goal at once, but they fail to maintain that success. It means after getting success, after becoming the success, most of the people fail to maintain that success because they don't have a proper system. And once if you have a proper system how to maintain a success, so you will never fail to maintain that success. But you need to understand you should have a proper system. And you and where is 4P formula comes in. 4P formula stands for, there are 4P in 4P formula. The first P stands for purpose, second P for stands for planning, third P stands for patience, and fourth P stands for persistent. And if you follow these 4P formula in your life, so you will not just only achieve your goal, achieve your success, but you will also maintain success throughout your life. So let's dive deeper into this 4P formula. So the first P stand for planning. No, sorry. First P stands for purpose. You know that whatever the action we take on a daily basis, so there is reason behind that taking of that action. Suppose if you are studying, you are a student and you are studying on a daily basis continuously, or you are taking action on a daily basis, no matter how are you feeling, no matter how many challenges you are facing, still you are taking action, still you are studying. Because why? Because you have a purpose of doing study. It could be like you want to get a job, or you want to you want to pass the exam. That is why you are studying on a daily basis. So it means you have a purpose of doing study. But tell me, friend, do you study just for gaining knowledge, just for entertaining? No, you are not studying for that purpose, but you are studying for getting the job, to skilled yourself, or you want to achieve a success in your life. That is why you are studying on a daily basis. So it means, if you are taking any action, there is a reason behind that action, right? So it means whatever the thing that you want to achieve, you should have a purpose of doing that thing. Why am I doing this thing? Before taking any action, whatever action you want, whatever the action you are going to take in your life, so first of all, taking that action, ask yourself, what is the purpose of doing or taking that action? And once you have a purpose, so because you have a purpose, so you will not give up easily. I give you example. Suppose there are two students, and one student is studying just for passing the exam, but other hand, there is another student. He is not he is not studying just for passing the exam, but also he is studying to gaining a knowledge, to become a professional in that particular field. So the second person's purpose is more stronger than first person. So the second person will never give up easily, because he have a purpose to doing a study. So that is why first P stands for purpose. You should have a purpose in your life. This is the first P. The second P is that planning. If you have a purpose of taking action, but if you don't have a plan to doing that thing, so you will never achieve your goal. Why? Because you don't have a plan how to do it, when to do it, and where to, what time to do it, right? It means you should have a proper planning in your life. If you want to achieve anything in your life, you should have a blueprint of your success. For instance, like the builder who is constructing a building, so he doesn't he doesn't randomly creating a, he doesn't randomly building he doesn't uh, randomly start building that particular house. Before constructing, he makes a blueprint of that particular building, and then he started of making constructing that building, right? So like that, if you want to achieve success in your life, you should have a plan, step by step. And once you have a plan, you will definitely achieve your goal. So this is the second P. And third P is that patience. This is the very important P. Most of the people fail in this in third P formula. You know that in today's fast world, every person wants a quick result. But you have to understand that good thing always take time. Progress always take time. If your dream are big, so you need take action on a daily basis. So you can't expect that you will become successful overnight. If you heard the story of the successful people, so have you ever heard that the people who succeed, they become successful overnight? No, they take action on a daily basis. They trust their process, and after a long time, after making progress, after failing multiple time, then they become a successful in their life, right? Because they trust their process. It means they it means they take action on a daily basis, and that is why they become successful in their life. The third point is that I covered is that P stand for um, P stand for persistent. You need to take a action on a daily basis. At first time, you will if we that most of the people stop taking action because they don't see a result. They want a result instantly. But you need to understand, if you want to achieve success in your life, so don't expect that you will get success overnight. For instance, I want to give you example. If there is a farmer and who plant a seed today, so he will expect that the seed grow in overnight. No, he can't expect. He just trust that process. He give proper water on a daily basis. He protect that seed and just wait for uh, the progress. It means they know that if I take care of this seed, or if I give the proper water to this seed, so it will definitely grow. But he can't expect a quick result. But that most of the people wants a quick result, and that is why most of the people fail to achieving their goal. That is why most of the people stop taking action. Because they think that I am taking action, but the result is not getting. but he, and that is why only few people are successful in their life. So this is the third P, is that persistent. And the fourth is that patience. You should have a patience. You should trust your journey. Most of the people think that if I am not making progress, I don't get a success, I am not making progress, it means I will never reach my goal, and they stop doing that thing. But if you trust your process, you know that you are taking perfect action, you are doing hard work to achieving that goal, so you will definitely achieve that goal because you have a trust yourself. But most of the people don't trust their journey. They just stop taking action after one failure. But you have to understand that failure doesn't define who you are, right? That I want to give an example. Thomas Edison failed 999 times, and once he asked about his failure, so he told that I didn't fail 990 times, but I found out I find out 990 ways that didn't work. So this is the lesson that you have to take from the Thomas Edison. So you have to understand this thing and follow this 4P formula in your life. You will definitely making progress in your life. You will not achieve success overnight, but one day you will definitely reach your goal. So if you like this video, so share and subscribe to my channel. So I will meet you in next video. So till then, bye bye and thank you.